In this episode, you are going to learn how to connect Google Analytics to a new Shopify web store using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I have more than 6 years of working experience. So if you need my assist, feel free to contact me. Details on this video description. Let's back to this topic.
This is our Shopify web store and we are going to install GA4. So for installing GA4, we need to open a Google Analytics. So for example, if you visit analytics.google.com, you will get this kind of interface. But sometime if you are beginner, then you will see a complete new website. So if you follow few simple steps, you can see the option which is create, and then you can create account. Okay, so for example, I am going to create and then create account, and I need to input the name of my account. So for this video, I am going to make test account, and if you want, you can check mark this box, then Google will send you the product and the services. Okay, but I don't want to get that, so that's why hit next, and you can see this is the property name. So our account name we have did, and now we have to input the property name. I want to input it's a demo test, and if you want, you can choose time zone, currency, etc. Also, if you expand the option which is this one to create universal analytics, it's actually not required, so that's why skip it and hide it. So this is important, and then if you I don't want to change anything, that's why I'm going to next, and you can see Google actually need your business model. It's based, like they will give you their demo built-in overview dashboard, so that's why you need to input this kind of information. For example, it's our shopping shop and it's a small shop, and then next, you of course you should choose based on your needs and your categories and what you need from business objects. For example, I want to pick lead, drive sales, this. So if you want, you can pick all. Okay, so all mean this 4 and get baseline rewards. Okay, so I just want to pick the first 4 and then create, and you can see just check mark, you can read everything and then check mark check box and then create. And this is the last step of account creation. You need to choose the platform, like which platform you want to connect to your Google Analytics. So for example, here is the 3 different way platform you can connect: web, Android app and iOS app. I just want to connect my websites, that's why I am going to select web, and then it's need to input my website and the stream name. So it's just copy my website URL here and paste it here, and without the HTTPS, and then I just want to copy exact same name which is demo test, and you can see this kind of event you will get automatically, which is very cool. And when you have done, you need to hit the create stream, And then you can see our measurement ID is ready. We need a Google Tag Manager container. So if you visit tagmanager.google.com, you will get a container and you can open your account. So when your container will ready, you will get this code. So this code we need to implement in our Shopify backend for connecting Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager and our store. So for example, you need to visit just your Shopify backend and you can see this is the backend of the Shopify, and you need to go on the sales channel, online sales, then theme, and then go to the edit code, and then you can see this is our tag manager code. Okay, so this code, so we don't need this code right now because we are using Google Tag Manager, and this is the Google Tag Manager code. You just simply input it here like this. Okay, and then save it, and then your website will successfully connect to Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, sorry. So Google Tag Manager is now connect to your Shopify store, and now we need to connect Google Analytics with Shopify website using Google Tag Manager because Google Tag Manager already connected. So for connecting Google Analytics, just hit new, select new tag, and then Google Analytics. And you can see we need to implement Google tag for connecting our analytics. And here is the tag ID. Tag ID mean it's your Google Analytics measurement ID. Just copy this ID and go back tag manager, input here, and hit select the trigger for all pages, and then save it. I just want to keep this num. If you want, you can change this name, and if you also able to rename anytime. And now we need to go to preview, input website URL and connect the website, and then go back to analytics, go back report, and then go back the real-time data, and you can see one real-time viewer are showing in our analytics. So that's mean our analytics is connected to our Shopify website using Google Tag Manager. So that's it. And if you want to see more video from me, you can subscribe, because in my next video I'll show how to make the e-commerce event. Thank you.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.